Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make vegan ribs. To begin, gather your core ingredients. You'll need a robust plant-based protein like vital wheat gluten to create seitan or young green jackfruit for a different texture. For that authentic savory taste, essential flavorings include smoked paprika, a few drops of liquid smoke, and tamari or soy sauce. Don't forget nutritional yeast for a cheesy, umami depth, and a touch of tomato paste for richness. These foundational elements are key to delicious vegan ribs. Now let's craft the rib structure. If using vital wheat gluten, mix it with your wet flavorings to form a firm dough. For jackfruit, shred it and combine with binders. Once your base is ready, shape the mixture into rectangular pieces, roughly 4 inches long and 1 inch thick, mimicking traditional ribs. You can even insert a small wooden skewer for a bone-like appearance. Then, steam or simmer these formed ribs for about 30 to 45 minutes to firm them up and develop. Now that you have your key, open the Delta Roblox mobile application on your device. You will see a designated input field where you need to paste the key you just copied. After pasting, simply confirm the key. This action will unlock full access to all of Delta's powerful features, allowing you to enjoy the application without any restrictions. It's a quick and simple final step to get started. Finally, it's time to cook and serve your delicious vegan ribs. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake the marinated ribs for 20 to 30 minutes, flipping halfway until they are beautifully caramelized and slightly sticky. For an extra smoky char, you can finish them on a grill for 5 to 7 minutes per side. Serve these fantastic ribs hot with your favorite barbecue sides, such as creamy coleslaw, sweet corn on the cob, or a hearty potato salad. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.